And for this final problem, we're going to convert 16/40ths into a percent. So there are two different ways we can do this. One, we can turn 40 into a nice easy number that we can multiply to make 100. So to do that, let's turn 40 into 10. So we're going to divide the 16/40ths each side by 4, which will equal 4/10. And now it's easy to turn the 4/10 into a percentage because you only need to multiply both sides now by 10. So it will equal 40 over 100, which will equal 40%. The second way to do this would be, instead of dividing it first, you would multiply it. And you can see that if you multiplied 40 by 2, you would get 80. So 40 times 2 equals 80. And 40 times 3 equals 120. So therefore 40 times 2.5 would equal 100. So now we need to do that same with the 16. 16 times 2.5 would be 16 times 2, which equals 32, plus half of 16, which equals 8, equals 40. So therefore 16/40ths times 2.5 over 2.5 equal 40/100ths, or 40%.